Hey my dinos, thanks for joining me for another episode of Shapes of Sharky Shark. That's me, Sharky Shark. Did you know to live in the desert you have to save water? In the world's many deserts, there is very little rain. The land is very, very dry. Here, living things have creative ways of finding and saving water. Cactuses are very good at storing water. They can live without rain for months. The kangaroo mouse lives in the Nevada desert. It rarely drinks water. It can get its water from the food it eats. Wouldn't it be so great if everyone could conserve water and just be smart? Well, I know my dinos will. Are you ready for our worksheets? You got this. Okay, now let's grab our favorite colored crayons. I chose blue today. What color did you choose? Oh, I really like that color. By the way, dinos, you're getting so great at writing your names. It makes me so proud of you. Now let's read the directions. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a hexagonal pyramid. Let's color the hexagon. I chose red. What color did you choose? Oh, I love that color. It's just so bright and so beautiful. Just like you, dinos. Now that we're almost done coloring the hexagon, we're going to color the other sides of the hexagonal pyramid. All these triangles you see are going to help us build the hexagonal pyramid. I'm choosing blue from one of the sides. The next color I chose is orange. You could choose any color you like, Dino. Next, I'm coloring it a seafoam green. I love seafoam green. It's so pretty. Next is a violet. What color did you choose? Oh wow, your sides are coming along great. Now I'm coloring it a forest green. Last but not least, I'm going to color the last side pink. Now that you're almost done coloring the last shape, let's read the directions. It says, cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Grab your scissors, dinos, or have your parent help you, okay? You're going to cut all around where you see the dotted lines and the shape. Always be careful when using scissors, okay? And when you do hand a scissor to someone, always hand them the handle side. Don't ever point the scissors at someone, dinos. It's very unsafe, but I know you know that. I just wanted to say it again. If you're doing it yourself, you're doing such a great job at cutting out the shape. If your mom or dad is helping you, or your sister or brother or a friend, tell them they're doing such a great job too, and thank them for the help. Now here is a cutout of the hexagonal pyramid. Where you see the dotted lines, you're going to bend them. Great job, dinos. Those are the folds that's going to hold them all together. Alright, last fold. Now that you're done, it should look like this. Now, where each of the sides are, where the triangles end, you're going to fold it as well. All these lines are going to be folded, okay? You got this, dinos. You're doing so great. I'm going to fold every single line it has. It seems a little complicated, but you got this, dinos. And practice makes perfect. You could print these worksheets out on the bottom of the screen where the link is. And you could do them with your friends at a party. Now that we have all of these, those little folds on the sides, we're going to post them and glue them or tape them. I'm going to grab a piece of tape and tape them to the corner. We're going to do this to every side of the hexagonal pyramid, okay, dinos? Great job, dinos. We're almost done. If you need help, don't worry. Just ask your parents. That's what they're there for. Or, if you're doing it by yourself, great job, dinos. And now we're connecting the last shape. Just tape the corner, and last but not least, the last fold, just to hold it together. Great job, dinos. Here we have it. Look at the 3D shape, which is a hexagonal pyramid. You've helped the 3D shape escape the 2D world. I'm so proud of you. It says hexagonal pyramid, so you'll know, and now you can show all your friends. Check it out. Isn't it amazing? It could stand on its own. Whoa, check out that hexagonal pyramid. Can I hold it? Thanks, dinos. Check it out. Look, it's like a speakerphone. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, dinos, I'll see you next week.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.